What is going on, everyone? How's everybody been? It's Brandon Sav, and I'm gonna start off by saying it's been a minute. I'm not gonna lie. Last time I talked to you guys was a few months ago. I was talking to a few of you guys through YouTube Live, but it's not the same. So first off, welcome back to myself. I have 2,000 subscribers. That's the most important thing I want to announce. It's been a long journey. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let me stop saying all right, I gotta get used to this. So I'm not gonna lie, when I first started this channel, I did not want to do it. It was just something that just happened, and now it's turned bigger than I could imagine. And just think about that. I only have 2,000 subscribers, and it's crazy for me. So I'm happy to have it grow into something bigger and bigger. So this video, I'm actually just gonna be going through comments, keep getting you guys up to speed with what I've been up to and what I've been doing. So let's go. I'm gonna run through a few comments. Starting off, Pedro Sales, can you upload the PSD? The PSD here is on my Selfie account. Links in every video description. This channel should have more subs. I definitely agree. I like your work. Keep it up. Thank you. Straight up. It's my brother, by the way. How much does Photoshop cost for Mac? This version is great video, by the way. It really varies. Honestly, I just started paying for Photoshop out of my own pocket. And I think it's $20 a month if you're a student. So yeah, all you have to do is just put in this email, school email, and that's it. So yeah, $20 a month or $10. Yeah, $20 a month. $10, I think, if you just need Photoshop. Paying for it. I think he was responding. I asked you guys if you guys would rather free content or pay for it. So the pros and cons was free and everybody will have it, or you pay for it and you might be one of the few that have it. Because I know with designing, it is very, very hard to make your work look different, especially if you guys are, like, say, downloading the packs and stuff. That's why I try to make mine very broad. I noticed that some packs that I've actually purchased, they only had 7 to 10 textures. So with me, I'm providing so much more. I'm actually gonna, matter of fact, I'm working on a 2K pack now. So starting today, the 1K pack is gonna be $15. I'm dropping $10 off, and that's gonna keep me motivated to work on this new pack. All right. What Mac do you use? I have a Mac. Oh, perfect. A MacBook Pro 2016. If 500 like, where's that PSD file? Wow, Unreal. Thanks. Keep me updated. Seamless. Oh, I gotta give you guys this file too. Wow. 500 likes. Wow. I think, honestly, I lost that file. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you. It's okay. I want the video, just one photo. Worst instructions ever. All right, that's enough of that. So basically what I've been up to, it's been a lot. If I haven't told you guys already, I'm working for Quincy. Well, I did tell you guys I'm working for Quincy. We have a lot of dope stuff coming out, and I like it because he's challenging me to design better and just come up with a bunch of fresh stuff. Like our chemistry as far as design goes is like perfect. It's like I don't really have to step out of my box too much, because we kind of have, I kind of understand his style and like with his aesthetic and the way he wants things to be designed. So it's just perfect. So one recent thing that actually went down was for Vogue magazine, huge magazine. I got to design a collage for him. It was 9 images, but Vogue only posted 8 of that. I really want this to be somewhere that I can just post exclusive things. Like at nighttime, I'll just be like, oh, free file, and if you're on my Instagram, you'll get it. So I want to be able to communicate, make this a bigger community with you guys. I want you guys to be able to comment anything, and I'll answer it. Obviously, I already do that, but to a bigger scale. Like, you guys will even be helping each other out on your own, because obviously there's gonna become a point where it's just gonna be too many comments. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be just too many. So I'll rather have you guys help each other out, because that's what we're all here for. So this is the collage. It looks so much different when you're viewing it on your phone, so make sure you guys follow me. Really, really dope. And there's a lot of behind the scenes stuff I'm working on that's been keeping me busy. I did the Snuggle Up cover. I don't know if you guys heard this song. Make sure you guys play that lyrics. This video is coming out for it soon. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. This is, I didn't explain this, but this is basically gonna be part of the 2K pack. It's a little surprise I got for y'all. Thinking outside the box. So I'm gonna keep this video short and simple, honestly. I'm trying to think of anything else that I missed. I might be moving to LA, so if any of you guys are in LA, just comment down below. That'll be dope if we could sort of link or collab, because I'm probably not gonna know anybody over there other than like a few people, but it'll be dope to link. I'm trying to figure out what else I've been working on to update you guys. I post a lot on my story, but I really can't talk about a lot too. So yeah, so just comment down below some like ideas on what the next video should be. I'm gonna be thinking right now. And also, thank you guys, for real. 2K followers, and it's only going steady. This is just great. This is amazing.